Good morning this Friday the 28th of May. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst at Bell Direct. Well, US equities advanced overnight with the S&P 500 up 0.12%. The Dow Jones closed 100 points higher amid better than expected job data. This week's figures hit a pandemic low with labour force participation and employment rates expected to pick up in the US over the next few months, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq edged slightly lower, down 0.01%. As for what to watch today locally, well, the major miners yesterday pushed the Aussie share market higher, managing to close in a gain amid Victoria going back into a snap 7-day lockdown. And today, following the US overnight, the Aussie share market is set to open higher this morning, with the futures suggesting the market will rise 0.82% to 7,148 points. AGMs will be held today for Appen APX, InvoCare IVC and Electro Optic Systems EOS. Select Harvest SHV are set to report their half-year results today. And in other news, keep an eye on Qantas QAN as the company continues to back the vaccine rollout. They are considering offering frequent flyer points and travel vouchers as an incentive to get the COVID-19 vaccine. They are looking to boost travel as quickly as possible in the hope of reopening Australia's borders permanently. Some tech stocks are in an uptrend. Today, watch Afterpay APT. Yesterday, APT rose 1.6%. One of Afterpay's major competitors, European buy now, pay later company Kalina, are near securing a $40 billion in funding. Also today, watch Domino's Pizza DMP. Domino's major competitor, Pizza Hut owner Yum Brands, has made a deal to buy Dragontail Systems for $94 million. This could potentially end DMP's relationship with the tech company, with Domino's shares falling 4.9% yesterday. And despite Fisher & Paykel Healthcare, FPH, reporting full-year results yesterday with a record net profit and increased final dividend, its shares fell 6% yesterday. Moving to commodities, the oil price is up 1.47%, so energy producers could be ending the week higher. Watch Woodside Petroleum WPL. Gold is up 0.02% and copper is up 3.02%. The iron ore price has edged slightly from its record high this month, down 0.25%. As for the most traded stocks by our Bell Direct clients yesterday, they were Imugene IMU, Technology One TNE, and Costa Group CGC. And the most traded stocks by our advised clients yesterday were the Vanguard Australian Shares Index ETF VAS, BHP, and Woodside Petroleum WPL. Now for some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter have reiterated their buy recommendation on Costa Group CGC with a $4.60 price target, previously at $5.10. Their recommendation reflects expansion of the international berry operations and avocado orchards and the non-occurrence of the seasonal factors that impacted their operations in 2019 and 2020. CGC closed yesterday at $3.37, implying a 36.5% share price growth. Bell Potter have also reiterated their buy recommendation on Volpara Health Technology VHT with an unchanged price target at $1.80. VHT closed yesterday at $1.30, implying a 38.4% share price growth. End-to-end Ventega Group ITG, Matter Group MAD, and Bionomics BNO are all giving off bullish charting signals according to Trading Central. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Thanks for joining this morning. Have a great day and happy trading.